everyone. I'm Dr. Priyanka Shrivastava, Assistant Professor at the Department of the Biosciences, IMS Ghaziabad University Courses Campus. Today we are going to study about the ribonucleic acid, that is the RNA, which is also one of the very important molecular tools in our body. Ribonucleic acid is a ubiquitous and highly versatile biomolecule essential for all the known form of the life. While deoxyribonucleic acid (DNA) primarily function as the long-term storage of the genetic information, RNA plays a diverse and a critical role in the gene expression, regulation, and event catalysis. Structure of the RNA. RNA is a polymer made of the repeating nucleotide units similar to DNA, but with a key structural difference. Sugar. RNA contains pentose ribose sugar, which has hydroxyl group at the 2' carbon sugar. In contrast, DNA contains deoxyribose, lacking the hydroxyl group at the 2' end. This 2' end OH group makes RNA more reactive and less stable than the DNA. The nitrogenous bases of the DNA are made up of 4 bases, that is the adenine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil. Uracil replaces thymine, which is found in the DNA. Uracil pairs with the adenine, similar to how thymine pairs with the adenine in the DNA. Phosphate group. A phosphate group is attached to the 5' carbon of one of the ribose sugar and 3' carbon of the next, forming a phosphodiester bond that links nucleotide into a linear chain. These phosphate groups give RNA a negative charge. Single-stranded nature. Unlike DNA, which typically exists as a double helix, RNA is generally single-stranded. However, RNA molecule can fold back on themselves, forming complex 3-dimensional structure with regions of the complementary base pair, that is the hairpin loop, bulges, internal loops. These secondary and the tertiary structures are crucial for the RNA's diverse function. Metal ion like Mg2+ are often needed to stabilize this structure. Types of the RNA. Here we can see there is a prokaryotic messenger RNA, eukaryotic messenger RNA, then we have the transfer RNA, and of course our ribosomal RNA. Type of the RNA. Messenger RNA. Messenger RNA function the genetic code for the DNA in the nucleus in eukaryotes to the ribosome in the cytoplasm. It serves as a template for the protein synthesis translation. A linear molecule that varies in length, typically 900 to 1500 nucleotide. Processing in the eukaryotes. Pre-messenger RNA undergoes a significant processing before becoming mature messenger RNA. This includes 5' capping. A 5' methyl guanosine cap is added to the 5' end, important for the messenger RNA stability, transport out of the nucleus, and efficient translation. 3' polyadenylation. A poly A tail, a long chain of the adenine nucleotide, is added to the 3' end, also contributing to the stability and translation efficiency. Splicing. Non-coding regions called the introns are removed and coding regions are called the exons are ligated together. Alternative splicing allows a single gene to produce multiple different RNA transcript and consequently different protein. Ribosomal RNA. A major structural and a catalytic component of the ribosome, the cellular machinery responsible for the protein synthesis. Ribosome bind to the messenger RNA and facilitate the interaction with the transfer RNA to assemble amino acid into the polypeptide chain. Ribosomal RNA are also catalyzes the formation of peptide bond. Abundance. Ribosomal RNA make up about the 80 to 90% of the cellular RNA. rRNA, that is ribosomal RNA, are a highly structured complex molecule combined with the ribosomal protein to form large and small ribosomal unit. Transfer RNA function as an adapter molecule carrying the specific amino acid to the ribosome during the protein synthesis. Each transfer RNA molecule recognizes a specific 3 nucleotide sequence on the messenger RNA called a codon via its complementary anticodon sequence. Smallest of the main transfer RNA type, it has a characteristic clover leaf secondary structure due to intermolecular base pairing, which then fold into the compact L-shaped tertiary structure. The 3' end typically has the CCA sequence where the amino acid is attached. Other important transfer RNA, non-coding transfer RNA, are A small nuclear RNA, that is the snRNA, involved in pre-messenger splicing as a part of spliceosome. A small nucleolar RNA, that is snRNA, involved in the chemical modification of the RNA, rRNA, transfer RNA, and snRNA. MicroRNA or the miRNA is small, approximately 22 nucleotide single-stranded RNA that regulate gene regulation by binding to the complementary messenger RNA sequences, leading to messenger RNA degradation or inhibition of translation. They are crucial for development, cell proliferation, and the differentiation. Small interfering RNA similar to siRNA are involved in the RNA interference, a mechanism of gene silencing, often in the long response of the viral infection and transposon. Long non-coding RNA, a diverse group of the RNA molecule longer than 200 nucleotides that are translated into protein. They are involved in a wide range of cellular processes, including the chromatin modeling, transcription control, and post-translational processing. RNA molecule that possess catalytic activity similar to the protein enzymes. For example, rRNA and RNA component involved in the splicing. So here are some nucleotides and the nucleosides of the RNA. In the ribonucleotides, adenosine, cytidine, guanosine, uridine. But deoxyribonucleotide sites are deoxyadenosine, deoxycytidine, deoxyguanosine, and deoxythymidine. Ribonucleotides, that is the adenalic acid, cytidilic acid, guanilic acid, uric acid, and deoxyribonucleotide, deoxyadenalic acid, deoxycytidilic acid, deoxyguanilic acid, and deoxythymidilic acid. Now, the discovery of RNA, sometimes we see that RNA is also a genetic material. As you know, the cellular organism have the DNA as a genetic material. Some viruses, however, have RNA as a genetic material. A tobacco mosaic virus, which is TMV, is composed of the RNA and the protein. It contains no DNA. In 1956, A. Greer and G. Schramer showed that purified RNA from the TMV is applied directly to the tobacco leaves. They develop mosaic disease. Pre-treating the purified RNA with the RNA is destroyed separately to cause the TMV deletions. In 1957, Frankel, Conrad, and Singer showed that in TMV infections with viruses containing the RNA from one strain and the protein from other, the progeny viruses were always the type of specificity that has RNA and not the protein. If we see the experiment, that in the first type of the virus, TMV-A, we have only taken the RNA, and from the other we have just taken the protein part, and then we combine the RNA from the TMV-A and protein from the TMV-B. And when they are infected on the leaf, the progeny which was found was of the type A progeny. That means it is the RNA which was transferred and not the protein. And in the second experiment also, when we took the RNA from the TMV-B type of the progeny and combined it with the protein coat of the TMV-A type of viral particle and then infected on the leaves, the final progeny which we got after infection, it was the progeny type B progeny. This showed that it was again the RNA which was being transferred from one generation to another generation and not the protein. So this way there are some viruses where not the DNA but RNA is the genetic material. Thank you so much. That was all about the RNA. We will see further how the mechanism of the molecules take place.